Get ready to put it in gear.
And tell her to move that thumb. You trying to hit every switch over. Move your thumb after you hit start.
Hit the start.
She all over here.
Once you hit the start, do this.
Daisy, you need to just move your thumb. I want you to
stop.
Listen, once you...
I ain't no shut up.
Because you
Put
don't
your dad to myself.
I want you to keep this on. Because this, once you in gear, this stops you from moving. This stops the bike from just jerking into gear. So you got to keep this down right. Come on. Put it in gear, first gear. But you got to keep it running. Go ahead, come on. I don't know what you're getting frustrated for. If you don't want to ride, then just tell me. Come on. It's in gear. That's what I say. Hold this. You gotta keep your hand on that. Come on, hold it, because now you're in gear. Now you're ready to play. Now when you about to, you can keep it running, man. You gotta keep it running. I'm trying to talk to you while you keeping it running. When you ready to go, you gonna go, man. But you gonna let off this like this. So you gotta keep this going.
Dad, just look over there. She ain't even looked over there.
You gotta keep this going while you letting this go. You gotta like go synchronize, like you know what I'm saying? It gotta all flow together. Come on, that's what you want to do. Move, Marcus. You gotta crank it up higher than that. You gotta crank it up higher than when you're ready to go. You gotta rev it up a little bit higher than when you're ready to go. All right, come on. Stop being so scared. It ain't gonna do nothing. Come on, you got all this grab. Yeah, but it'll cut off on it regardless. Yeah. Like, it don't matter if the carburetor messes up, it's going to cut off regardless if she don't get that clutch right. You know that with any stick. Come on. See, you can't pick. What your problem is, you can't listen and do. You're not doing two things at once. You're not doing it. You got to let off the clutch in order to move. I'm waiting for you to go. Whenever you're ready to go, go. Just how you let it, you just ease off. You don't pop it off like that. You just ease off. Once you start feeling the machine moving, you rev it up higher. And as you start feeling it slow, it's going to start slowly taking off. You just, once you get it going, you good. You could just, you can have this go. Come on.
Aww.
Turn.
Hit the gas.
Hit the gas. Hit the gas. And you gotta turn
Marcus,
the wheel.
go bring it back. Deja, let Marcus bring it back.
Like, why would you get in the middle of the field and just give up?
Like, and then she not even looking.
Not at all.
And what she doing, she looking down at everything. Come on, Deja. He think he got something going.
He got something together. That is definitely your child.
He jumped straight on that thing.
He tried to act like he was like, man, I ain't about to sit on this thing. Like, I'm about to just take straight on.
Then he gonna try to stand up a
I'm
little
about to
bit.
stand up.
Come on.
You big kid.
Turn around.
No, I want to see you hit it a couple times. I really don't want you in the people's yard, but go ahead. Go ahead.
He almost made a heart right
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Somebody hold my baby. Can you hold my baby?
Stop. See how you just messed up? You see how you just did that?
Boy, you gonna.
You see how you just tried
Not
to
ready to
do
do no
something?
tricks.
Don't.
He was like,
Get up.
he was like,
Get up.
you want to hold
Come on, Chevy.
Chevy? Okay. No, I'm about to hold it. And let me right to the back.
Hey, look out. Why you?
I said the back. I need to hold this. Shiny good. Listen. You ain't scared me.
That's what I want to try about.
Look
That's
at
what
him.
he took on me. That's
Look at him.
He was crazy.
Look at him. Look at him. I see him too. He come around.
Look at Chevy, look, ride or die chick. Don't face the track, Get it again. Get it again.
Okay.
Well, you just don't take it to say your
better.
Can I
Can I test drive next?
Will it fly, Chevy?
Put it up in a... No!
Put it up in there, Chevy. I don't want to hold that.
Nah, no,
She's scared they scared that she gonna
Mama,
fall
yeah.
off. She was like, cause she told me when I was getting up.
I mean, like,
she
how
said,
do you get in a big old open field and just give up?
You was like,
What?
I didn't give up. I
I'm
stopped.
talking about Dave.
She was like, yeah.
Hold on, Chevy.
Man, I'm getting tired.
How was that tiring?
I don't know.
You crazy.
Chevy said the truck.
All right, now y'all walk back
I don't
home.
want them.
That's Makaya baby right there who Chevy got.
Watch it.
No.
You too.
Oh, she wanna get off.
Who? Where you
All
going?
y'all walk home.
No.
Yeah.
Get up. Get up, little girl.
How she look good? See, I can do that by myself.
You know how to do the second gear?
No.
I'm about to see if I do.
No, you ain't about to see nothing. You know how to do it.
Yeah, I know how to do it.
Because if you don't know how to do it, you're going to be
Man,
like the
shut
kids.
your ass up. Oh, well, I'm going to be doing it by one gear just like them. till I get 2 million.
I gave
Watch
it to
the Chevy.
Day-Day.
Me too. Well,
We get ready to go. I'm tired of standing in this field.
Man, Diamond, you know what? Come here. I'm about to let you see.
Hey, Mom.
I'm
Hey,
about to show
Mom.
you. You can't do. Put a push in.
Diamond, you is too light.
Start it up.
yes, you is. Oh, she know how to start it up, though. She know how to start it up.
Ease up off the
Can
push.
I hold it? I want to hold it. I want to hold it.
No.
Daddy, he ain't let me hold the phone.
No! Get your ass off. Because you did not pay attention at all.
Shoot
See
for the.
why you don't be doing certain stuff because you're not ready? No, that's not no I know. You need to pay attention. And then you don't take off like that. No, you don't. You didn't pay attention.
Yes, you was.
That's why it's age appropriate. That's why you know it's not funny.
What's up, Harvey? Not bad. Y'all gonna walk back? Huh? I was talking to the kids.
Come on.
How you doing? Yeah.
He's a. You gonna do a wheelie and fall off.
I was scared and it was fun.
Now you did exactly what we told Diamond, what we told Jay to do. You don't just take off like that.
Wait,
And then
Kaya.
we didn't even tell you to go. And
You ain't
if
dirt.
anything, if you going that fast, why wouldn't you just let the clutch go? Why wouldn't you just let the thing go? Both hands. I'd rather you let go on both hands so it can kill itself than you'll be just going, you going off into the wood. You about to crash into some shit. Chevy, you gonna walk like everybody
We was
else.
all like, damn it! This girl is crazy.
You're too light in the air for that shit. You cannot do that. You are too light. Some things you just can't do. You gotta get your weight up.
Dang, this was 12 minutes.
All right.
Look. They didn't even say it. 12 minutes. She said,
She was faster than I was going. Hey, y'all go over there and get that barbecue grill.
I was like, whew.
Go get that barbecue grill. For real? Yeah, they throwing it away. Turn it out, Marcus.
Oh.